Last year, Swabhimani, we were recognized as a winner for our special project Flipbeats. Flipbeats is a mobile application. It runs on all Apple and Android smart mobile devices. Flipbeats is a music app, which is very different to all the other music apps out there. Mainly because Flipbeats does something better than just letting you only listen to music. We call it a truly immersive musical experience. Flipbeats has the most advanced audio configuration. It lets you refine your music. It lets you fine-tune the way your music sounds. Plus, it comes with a very cool UI, which is very beautiful and it's very intuitive. It has a lot of gestures that you can find your way in and out very easily. Talking about Swabhimani, now last year we won the Swabhimani award, and the total experience is something that I really admire. We've been to multiple software competitions, multiple award ceremonies. Swabhimani has been something really significant out of the rest, and it being organized by the ICTA. And the team that was involved in it is really passionate, and I mean, you felt it the moment we engaged with the team, and they were truly hands down. They wanted the best of the IT products and solutions in the country to be brought to a stage. After winning the Swabhimani Awards, we were able to get on board to World Summit Awards and compete in a truly global audience. And it's glad that we even won the World Summit Award and was able to bring a lot of credit back to the country. As reasons to why you should consider Swabhimani this year, I can say, whether you are an individual or even an organization, if you feel you have a product which is creative, innovative enough, this is a good test bed. There's nothing for you to lose. And number one benefit I see is the visibility that it can bring to you. Doesn't matter whether you win or lose, you still get the visibility. And if you win, definitely you get the opportunity to meet with a broader audience, and even that will put out opportunities for you to even further identify opportunities for investment, and the networking opportunities that it would bring is truly something remarkable. And if you know how to capitalize it, that will be a good, wonderful starting point. So I would like to encourage everyone, why not give it a try to Swabhimani.